Hello, my friends. Look at these adorable little critters, and you know what? They match perfectly with our club Stampin' Die set for this month. And let me tell you, right now, the first 24 hours, they're on flash sale. Go quick. Are you ready? Let me show you all these fun add-on sets. Because you know me, I can't stop with just the fox and the bunny and the cute little hats and all the words. I have to go on. I have to do more. So here we have our cute little friend polar bear skating and a cute little penguin, and we have lots of words. Don't worry. Let's see. Don't worry, I'll catch you if you start to fall. Cool moves. Wishing you snowy adventures. May your winter be filled with laughter and love. Warmest birthday wishes to my cool winter buddy. Winter fun. Wishing you frosty fun on the ice. Are there dies that match? Oh, my friends, you know there are. Now, as you know, we always give you the inside die and the shadow die, so you have lots of options when you want to die cut, which are awesome, right? We love that. Then we have some more words because, of course, you know I can't stop with just some words. So we have embrace the magic of the winter season, bundle up and celebrate your special day in winter style. Winter is cold, but the ice is bold. Bundle up, enjoy, and celebrate on your celebration on your birthday. Sending you warm hugs and snowy kisses. Wishing you snowy days and starry nights. Skating into the season of joy. Fun. Now, we also have dun, 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 a pond, skating pond, or it could be a lake if you want. And so it could be like water or ice, that's up to you. And some more trees. Now, my Die Hard Club members this month got an extra tree I just kind of threw in, right? I just kind of threw that tree in because I'm thinking, you might want one, but look at this. It's a little smaller than these trees. So now you have even one more size to add to these trees so you can make a whole forest. Oh, I know, isn't that awesome? And I can't wait to show you the samples with this one. It's really fun. Also, we have our medallion background. We stayed again with just the one die, so you don't have to worry about lining it up to make it perfectly centered. And let me tell you, when you see the samples on this one, it's gonna blow your mind. Stay tuned. Last but not least, we have a snowy stencil. Now this is a smaller snowflake. Years and years ago, we did a big snowflake one that had big snowflakes. Well, look at, well, you can kind of see this is the right size. They're smaller this time and they're different designs. So let's jump in and look at our samples. First, we have our cute little polar bear. I absolutely love this. This also uses the Circle Bubble A2 background, but look at how cute he is. I love that. Then, oh, let's see. We have our cute little penguins with our trees. Here's another cute little penguin ready to go with the cute little hat on top. Don't you love that? Cute little tag. Ooh, with some fun snowflakes on the back. Here we have, dun, 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 just trees. Sometimes you want just trees, right? Boom, there you go. I absolutely love it. Or here's another one. Look at that stencil, you guys. Look at those stencils on the background. Aren't those fun? Absolutely love it. Just trees. Let's just do trees, right? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Here's a cute one with the polar bear and the penguin and the stencil and the pond and the fun trees. I love it. Oh my goodness gracious. I hadn't seen this one yet. Oh, look at how cute this is. Look at that bear. He is going Christmas shopping and he just bought a Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. Skating through winter, and he's got his little ice pond back there. We got our little fence back there. I absolutely love it. Also uses the wagon Stampin' Dies for the snowflakes and the Build-A-Scene birdhouse for the green plants and the fence die and 3D ink, of course. Then, oh, look how gorgeous this is. Look at that. Glitter galore. Our cute little guy is just oh, the inside's just as cute as the outside. I love it. Embrace the magic of the winter season. Love it. Ooh, here's a fun one. Let it snow. I love that. This has the tree and the pond dies. Ooh, and a sneak peek to one of our coming soon this month. Sneak peek slim lines. Okay, now, oh, look how cute this one is. Here they are, more friends playing on the ice. Isn't that adorable? We have our bear, we have our bunny, we have our little penguin on the ice, ready to go, using our stencil in the background. Look at how cute that is. There's a cute little penguin in there with a hat. So adorable. This is on a decal edge 5x7 card die. Love it. Now, I do want to, oh, hang on, one more. Look at this one. Decal edge again, this time on the slim line. Look at those cute little guys. They are just kind of falling. Don't they look like they're kind of falling? They're trying to ice skate. This would be me ice skating, trying to ice skate, but not really doing it. On my bottom more than anything. Isn't that gorgeous? But using, the glitter. Can you see the gorgeous glitter? The glitter on the pond, on the ice. I love that. May your winter be filled with laughter and love. I love it. Okay, now I want to show you, I'm going to show you some samples for the medallion background. So here is one in blue with mere silver behind it. Here is one with white, making it look like snow. So let's see how many we can get in the shot here, because let me tell you, this is amazing. Here is, ooh, a white one, white on white. Love it. Ooh, here is black on yellow. Love it. Let's see, how many others do I have? Ooh, here's dark pink on light pink. Okay, you guys, look at this. Look at all the different options we have here. Ooh, here is dark blue on gray. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ready? And let's see if Stephanie can do this. Then there, then there is white on light blue. Look at that. Look at that. Similar to this one, but this one's darker blue, right? Then we have, ooh, black on pink. Lots of different options. And every single time it makes a different look, right? So you're getting completely different looks with the exact same die. This one has it just white on white. This one has it white on blue. Gorgeous. This one has it blue on mere silver. Lots of different options. I love this one with the little fox holding the balloon. Here these two are just skating along. This is a sneak peek to another one. Merry Christmas. Aww. Here's a fun one. Now here's, oh, I didn't even show you this one yet. Look at this cute guy. Oh, he is just skating away, isn't he? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now, look at this one. You're saying, Stephanie, what is it using? Well, it's using a lot of our products, but the stencil in the background is that snowy template. So it's using the polar bear dies, the holiday word dies, the bunny pudgy, gingerbread to stamp, hot chocolate dies, 5x7 decal edge die, and the snowflake stencil. Isn't that adorable? You guys are all gonna wanna copy this one. Linda's gonna make sure this gets into the all of the design team, make sure they get them into the gallery. So if you have questions, you can ask. And then of course, these are two that I already showed in the last video. And of course, our fun pull-up card or fun fold. I love this one. Ready? Watch this. Well, first of all, let me show you this. 5x7 flat, I'm sorry, A2 for mailing. And it's the pull-up fun fold because look at this. You're gonna pull this up and there we go. Ta-da, it stands up. Isn't that cute? Oh, club members, the first 24 hours or until sold out, there is a bundle of all of these add-ons that you can get if you log in. If you're a club member and you log in and you see it, you can get the bundle at an extra discount. So it's regular price, flash sale price for the first 24 hours, then bundle price is less than that, then you get your club discount on top of that, right? But only for club members and only if you log in. So make sure you check that out. Everyone else, you get it at flash sale price the first 24 hours it's on the website. After that, it's regular price, but our regular price is everyday low price. And if you're a club member, you're always getting 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day. So it's like a sale every single day on the website. Let me just tell you, it's amazing. Go to our website, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.